Hi everybody, it's Lindsay here. Just wanted to share that on January the 14th in the evening, I have a hog class workshop, which is going to be in Boston Spa Village Hall. And the hog, if you don't know about it, is a Pilates bit of kit. It's absolutely fantastic, as you can see. Very good for massage. You can imagine that for your feet, your back, your waist, your bum, your legs, but also a nice place for your spine to rest. You can use it to support your body and make things feel easier. You can also use it to make things feel wobblier, which means that it challenges your core, helps your proprioceptive function, helps your muscles, helps your balance, helps your stability. So if you would like to know more, I'll post the link below this little video, and you'd be more than welcome to join me. My plan, my goal, all being well, is to actually get a hog class going and to weave these into my existing Pilates. I have been blown away by how versatile these little babies are and how much fun actually and what variety they bring. So if you're interested, let me know, and I look forward to sharing more with you. Bye for now.